This 2022 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 191 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new K-Z is 22 feet 1 inch in length and features one slideout, a gray tan interior, sleeps 5, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, smoke detector, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, LP detector, oven, awning, water heater, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 191 BHK is 3,420 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.